Howdy. This is a very short one. It has to do, I think, with this whole Finnish copper topic. Because this topic is, I think, related to auroras and other things not from Earth. I just read the news here on spaceweather.com. 3 CME impacts in September. The sun has been buffeting Earth. With CMEs in September, there were 3 significant strikes, each one sparking an electromagnetic storm with mid-latitude auroras. Yeah, that's quite remarkable. Another side effect might surprise you. Each CME reduced cosmic radiation around our planet. This is called the 4-Bosch decreases, named after American physicist Scott 4-Bosch, who studied cosmic rays in the early 20th century. It happens when a coronal mass ejection, CME, sweeps past Earth and pushes galactic cosmic rays away from our planet. Radiation from deep space hitting Earth's atmosphere, upper atmosphere, is briefly wiped out. Now, normally, when cosmic rays hit the top of Earth's atmosphere, they produce a cascade of secondary particles that percolate down toward the ground. Using neutron counters, researchers in Oulu, Finland, have been monitoring these particles from space for almost 60 years. In the plot above, we see how the 3 CMEs caused abrupt reductions in neutrons reaching the sensors in Finland. So, now let's read the rest too still. The example of September 2023 explains in part why the intensity of galactic rays drops around solar max. The sun keeps sweeping them away from our planet, ironically making space safer for astronauts and satellites. Yeah, maybe not. If it's too much, it's gonna be too much. But anyway, the thing is, secondary particles. I think what I have been pondering about out loudly with these copper videos, mentioning the auroras, probably touching the ground and stuff like this. I tried to explain also yesterday that I think the stuff which is coming from the sun, the CME, the charged particles, they are gonna create these kind of secondary particles as well as they propagate through Earth's atmosphere. Which is in a way a similar process as they are explaining here. So if cosmic rays produce a cascade of secondary particles, what do particles do to the particles which are already there? There might be more secondary particles, or thirdatory, fourthatory, or however you want to call it. I have no idea how to go on from secondary to the third phase, but it doesn't matter. It's just a matter of language, and I don't care about too much. It's more about the whole thought, the idea, the part of the theory, just what I thought or still think, trying to figure out how it could possibly work. What's the thing behind all that? But if cosmic rays can create secondary particles, why shouldn't auroras or CMEs not be able to do the same thing? I would expect something like this. But anyway, maybe one day we find out and we know what's going on. Yeah. And now we just had 3 times mid-latitude red auroras. Sun is still cranking up. Earth's magnetic field is still weakening. Yeah. Interesting times ahead. But anyway, thanks. Bye.